Hey, I'm Jen from Practical by Default, and if you're wondering what's actually inside the 3-hour Homeschool Reset, let me give you a quick look so you can see how it works and what you'll walk away with. Here you can see the How This Works section. Each module has a video-based lesson that's under 10 minutes and includes a printable worksheet or checklist if I feel like it will help you implement what you're learning. You don't need full hours or a full weekend. These lessons are short and to the point, so you can reset in one afternoon. To download things, you just click on the download button. Here you have an idea of what the worksheets look like. These are all the worksheets that are included. You can download them all in one, or you can click the download button at the bottom of each module. These planning pages are printable and ready to go. You don't need to set them up. You can literally start making changes tonight. I've also included some helpful bonuses to help you save time and get the support just when you need them. There's your quick peek. If you're ready to stop guessing and start feeling more in control, the 3-hour Homeschool Reset is here to help.